Hey there! Welcome to this Patreon exclusive mini repaint video. In this video we are going to repaint two animal figures into realistic evolution figures. Which evolution, you ask? Well, you as a Patreon have decided. It was very obvious for Leafeon, but because Leafeon was released as a pair with Glaceon and Gen 4, I decided to make them together. Let's begin. For this repaint, I'll be using two fox figures, a normal rat and an Arctic fox. To give these figures some body mods, I first need to remove that what I want to alter. Yeah, I first buy some fox figures and then I take off that what makes them a fox. But don't worry, they get their fox features back in a different way. Very awkwardly, I make a hole with a pin tool. I cut off some strong wire. I insert them into the holes and make an armature. Epoxy clay time. I first fill in the wires with pieces of clay. After that, I sculpt in detail with a silicone tool, my fingers and water to smooth out the clay. When the clay is hard and dry, I cover the figures with a gesso primer. This will give the figures a better grip for the paint. To paint the figures, I always start with a base color. So, a yellow, brown and green for Leafeon, and different colors of blue for Glaceon. When the base color is dry, I always continue with shadows. The trick is to use a color tone darker than the base color. For Leafeon, I'll be using green ink, like I did on my Go-Goat figure. When we got all the shadows, we can add highlights. After that, I can add some detail, like eye shines. To give Glaceon some more icy shine, I'm going to cover his body with micro glitter. Ooh, so shiny. To seal in the paints, I cover the figures with a few layers of Liquitex matte varnish. And with a high gloss varnish, I give them a little shine in their eyes, on their nose and on the lips. And they are done. It was so much fun to make these realistic figures again. I really need to make more of them. Like I already told in a previous post, these figures will be for a giveaway when I reach my next Patreon goal. So definitely keep an eye on a future post. Again, thank you so much for your support. I will see you in the next Patreon exclusive video. Bye!